Hello.
Hello, hi, welcome back to Clapping Go. How are you?
Yes. Yeah. I'm pretty good, ma'am.
Yes, cool. So, shall we just start the topic for the day?
Yes, ma'am. What is the topic? I don't know. I
Okay,
have
so
not visited the topic.
okay, no problem. I'm
I
here. To tell you.
I have not saw. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Would you like to correct the sentence which you already said?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so please go ahead.
Which one, ma'am?
I have not visited that topic, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I have not seen that.
Yes, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so the topic for the day is shopping.
Shopping. Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, how often do you shop?
Yes. Many times.
Do you like to shop? Like, do you
Yeah.
like
I
shopping?
like. Yeah. I like shopping, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
so how
Cloth.
often do you shop?
Cloth store and golden shop. I like that. Bookshop also.
Okay, bookshop, clothing shops. Okay. So basically, I was asking you how often do you go? That means I was asking you how many times do you go in a month or say per week
Okay,
or
okay, okay, okay. Understood, ma'am. 2 months. As per cloth. Uh, I go 2 months once,
okay.
and golden shop. Mm, a year once I visit
Which
golden shop.
shop?
Golden shop, gold jewelry shop, jewelry.
Yes. Okay. So there
And
are few errors which you have already made while we had a conversation. So do you want me to correct you right now or shall I correct you at the end of the session?
yes, ma'am. You correct them, ma'am. Whenever I am doing mistakes.
Okay, cool. So the
Yeah.
first one you already corrected yourself. That was I have not visited that topic, and then you said I have not seen that topic. So that's
Yeah,
cool.
yeah. Bookshop month. A month. 3 times.
Okay.
How
Okay,
many
wait.
times I go
Can I
there?
just
I
correct you
don't know.
here?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay. You told a month 3 times, right?
Yeah.
Thrice a month.
Thrice. Yeah, yeah. Thrice a month.
Yes. And
Yeah,
the other one was 2 months once you told.
yeah.
So instead of saying that once in 2 months.
Once in 2 months. Yeah, yeah. That's good.
And then instead of saying golden shop, you already corrected yourself saying
Yeah,
jewelry.
yeah, yeah.
So it's not jewelry, it's jewelry.
Jewelry.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, cool. So it's not golden shop, it's jewelry shop.
Yeah, yeah.
Or you can say gold shop, not golden shop. Yeah. The shop is when you're saying golden, what happens is the shop is not built out of cement and bricks, but then it is built out of gold or some, gold painting has been done. That becomes golden shop.
Means gold. Golden means, I think.
Sorry?
Golden means that shop made up of
Yes.
gold.
Yes. So it
Yeah.
cannot be possible, right? Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Because I'm a
Okay, cool.
beginner, I want to correct everything whenever I'm speaking my English with clapping
Well,
tutors.
that is perfect.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yes. So that's why you are here and that's why we are here, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah,
So we were talking about how often do you go for shopping
yeah.
and what do you like to buy the most?
I like uh, mostly. I like mostly books. I like to buy mostly books.
Okay. You like to buy mostly books.
Yeah.
Okay. The better way of saying the sentence is mostly I like to buy books.
Mostly I like buy the books.
I like to buy the
I
books.
like to buy the books.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay, cool. So what sort of books do you like?
What, ma'am?
What sort of books do you like?
Yes, ma'am. I like uh, Telugu means Telugu stories and novels, autobiographies.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which is your favorite
Devotion.
autobiography?
I don't know, but I know in Telugu okay, but I don't know English names. That's all of because I read Telugu books many times.
Okay. So which Telugu books have you read?
I think Abdul Kalam biography I read many times.
Okay. So can you just give me a summary of what you understood about APJ Abdul Kalam, sir?
Yes, ma'am. But I can't tell in English. It is my big problem.
Okay, relax.
Yeah.
Try to tell me what are your opinions, like what is the most inspiring thing about APJ Abdul Kalam?
Yes, ma'am. I inspired that book. I was inspired that book.
I was inspired after reading that book or by that book.
Okay. Means I know one Telugu quotation that కలలు కనండి సహకార వాటిని సహకారం చేసుకోండి means what is కలలు dreams. Yeah. I can't tell.
Okay, dream. Okay, fine. So
Yeah.
okay, whatever you told now, try to get the English meaning of the same in the next session. Okay, we'll talk on this.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we'll get back to the topic.
Yeah.
So we were talking about shopping, right? So tell
Yeah.
me, like which mode of shopping do you like the most, like traditional shopping or online shopping?
I like mostly online shoppings.
Okay, that's cool. So why do you like online shopping? And why do you
Because
don't like this traditional shopping? So give me two
tradition.
reasons each.
Yes, online shopping is whatever we want. What do I want? Search that I can buy easily in that uh, online and
Through online.
through the online. Online it is what is that? Different kinds of things have many different types of. What do I want? Everything. It online provides gives
Instead of
many
saying
things.
different kinds of things have, it has different kind of things, or it has many items in
Yeah.
just one platform.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. That's why I like that.
Okay, that's cool. So tell me, what are the disadvantages of shopping offline?
First of all, timing also waste because I live in village, small village here,
Okay.
and going what is bus charges, everything uh, we need to maintain.
Incur. You have to incur.
Incur.
Yeah.
Okay.
Expend. Or we have to, like in excess we have to pay, like not only for the, say suppose I want to go and buy a t-shirt, then for me in order to go to the shop and then like travel charges are in excess for me, so that
Traveling
when I,
charges also.
yes,
Yeah.
so this is how you can say that.
Yeah. Okay. Another one. What is that? We can't expect what do I can't expect what do I want what do I want to purchase in that shop, or maybe there might have, oh, what do I want purchase.
Okay, so there's no guarantee that whatever you want they might have.
Yeah,
Whereas
yeah,
then what's the guarantee online? Even online also they might not have whatever you want.
yeah, yeah. But I can. It is possible to me. Uh, the shopper, they can't show what do I want. Maybe example, I want one good t-shirt. What is that? Colfit t-shirt. Colfit. Colfit t-shirt. But it is not available that shop. It is available only online.
Okay. So
That's
there
why.
are few brands which are available only online. So you prefer
Yeah,
online shopping.
yeah, yeah. Brands available in online only.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, yeah,
So that was your, I mean, that was your opinion on today's topic, and it was
yeah.
nice talking to you. Okay, so do you want me to give you any feedback?
Feedback. This conversation.
Yeah, so shall I give you any feedback?
Yes, it is going good, ma'am. Claffingo. I am learning more through the online classes.
Okay. So what are the efforts
And
are you
because
putting,
no,
like
ma'am. Because
after the sessions, or
I lost two classes, ma'am. Still, they can't. They didn't take the action. I lost two classes. Clappingo. No one joined that class. Tutor.
oh, so maybe you
Uh,
have to
yeah.
contact the team and then inform them about this.
How do I do that? Inquiry. There have one option, inquiry.
Yeah, or inquiry, or there might be some contact number, right? Maybe you can
Okay.
call them and then, yeah, let them know about this. They will,
How can I find that? How can I find that numbers? Clappingo.
in the
Uh,
application where there is inquiry session, right? So you can go through, you can raise a query there.
Here have only one chance. Message only. We put them. Possible to send the message only. There have.
Okay, so you cannot call them.
Yes. I I did many times, but still no one replied me.
Okay, try for one more time, even I'll raise this. Okay,
Yeah,
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 so don't worry about that.
yeah.
Yes.